Yo, what's going on FIFA Mobile? It's Krazify back again with another video. So today we are gonna complete the late era in the Gullit campaign. So first of all, this is my team I use for the Gullit campaign. It's pretty simple. The important players are Zola and Giroud. Giroud is really important for that. I'll say you in the match. So let's get in the match. They use fire the back formation. It's really tough to get past them. So what you actually do is, as soon as the match starts, just pass the ball to Zola or Gilmore, do some flip flaps, get into the wings and cross to Giroud and cross to Werner. I had Giroud at striker and Werner at left cam. You saw, right? So now, yeah, move on the right wing with Gilmore and Zola. Use Zola for flip flaps, Gilmore for roulette. Roulette is really easy. See, look what I'm doing. I'm just crossing to Werner and just swipe. Boom. Werner really can't convert many of the headers, but Giroud can. Giroud is the key man in this squad. Make him a striker. He will make some runs, attacking runs to the middle, cross to him and just score a header. It's pretty simple. The reason why you cross spam, because they use 5 at the back formation. It's really tough to get past. They don't really stun at all. Like now, just cross to Giroud, score the header. Simple. It's pretty simple. That's it. But if you use other formations, this won't work, because midfielder's goal is really tough in this last match. I struggled a lot, more like 10 to 15 times. But with this 4-5-1 formation, it's pretty effective. And most importantly, just don't rush with your defenders. That's really important. Rudiger and Thiago Silva are not that great of a defenders. Just don't rush with your defenders. It's really important. They are the best lobbers in the world. They can put the lob from half line into the D box and score a header. Just be careful. That's all I can say. Just look, I just rush my player. They are not good shooters, but they are the best lobbers. Just don't rush your players. That's it. Look at that. I just rushed my player and goalkeeper did save it, but just don't rush like I did. And yeah, flip flap is really effective. It will stun every defender of the 5 at the back. And just do flip flap with Zola, others will not work. Flip flap with Zola, run down the wings, cross to Giroud, he'll score easily. Giroud can score against any defender. I mean, against these 5 defenders, to be honest, not against any defenders. And most importantly, look what I'm doing right there. I scored 2 with my attackers Giroud and 1 with my midfielders Werner. And now what I am doing is just passing around the back. Like usually I set a time limit of 60 minutes. Let them score whatever they want. Just before 50 minutes, score 1 goal with midfielder, 2 goals with attacker, and then pass as much as you can. I just left them. I just lost the match because I didn't pass 10 times. I passed 65 times, so I lost the match. Don't be like that. Just pass as much as you can. Look what I'm doing right there. They will rush at some point of time. That doesn't matter at all. Just pass as much as you can. Each pass is important. And look at now, they are rushing right now. Don't panic, just pass it in the middle and give back to your defense. You can mess up, but you scored 3 goals, right? Doesn't matter. And that is it. We have completed the match. We have completed the last node of late era. Let's just concentrate on SBCs now. "94 passes, that's why. Be sure you make those passes, it's really important. And then let's move on. Let's claim Pulisic. He's gonna be used for the SPC, don't waste him at all. Use him for the Gullit SPCs. I'll show you in a few minutes. First of all, let's just check the Dutch players SPC first of all. Now, the total cost of this SPC is 700k coins, and there are 2 players that are achievable through the path. Those are the Congolo and Melon. Those are the 2 players, and gold players not worth anything at all. You must have just 4 players that you buy. Those are the others, just snipe under 200k. You can easily get them and complete the SBC. That's it. Let's move on to the Serie A SBC. It is one of the easiest SBCs. You have 2 free players already. Those are Buffon and Kolarov, and some elites I stacked up before. You can even use the path players. I didn't use one where I used the other. You can use the other one as well. I guess it's a right back, I don't remember. Snipe all other players under 200k. It is possible. It's just a matter of 600k coins to complete the SBC. It's very simple. 90 rank shots and thousands of skill boosts. And finally, most important, these are the sniping filters of each players. Other goals I got around like 100k and trained them. The training cost was 200k per gold. And I used 2 free players. One is Pulisic and Ziyech. And Kovacic is important. He's the cheapest Chelsea elite possible, and others under 500k. And that's it. Let's claim Ronald Koeman and let's upgrade our team. And Ronald Koeman joins our squad. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe if you like my work. And that's it. I'll be back with a banger. His stat looks mad. It's really good. I'm gonna use him as right back. I'm gonna coming with the banger video with the team upgrade. More than 100 million coins team upgrade. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, I'm out.
All of you to stop what you're doing and listen.